Now, let's see. Okay, so for the word somewhere, it's two signs put together. So you're gonna do some and where. So for some, it's like cutting your hand in half. Some. Some. Where you take your index finger and you move it like this, side to side. Somewhere, over. You're gonna put your non-dominant hand flat. Non-dominant hand, and with your dominant hand, you're gonna go over your arm. Make sure you go over your arm and not over your hand, because over your hand means night. So, over. Rainbow's simple. You're gonna take out your four fingers only, so no thumbs. Four fingers, and you're gonna create the rainbow. Easy. Create the rainbow. Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high. The three words, you don't sign each word. It's easier just to point with your index finger and point all the way up, high. Make sure you're looking at that finger. ASL is very visual, so if you create the height, people will see and understand that it's very high. Now, there's a land. I only sign land. It's easier. So you're going to place your open palms down. This is land. You're like circling your hands like this, land. There's a land. Now, that I heard of for that chunk, I use the sign imagination. So you're going to close your hands like this. You're going to place them in front. And then you're going to open and wiggle your fingers. So from the side. That I heard of. So that I heard of. Now once in a lullaby, you just sign the sign for music. So you take out your non-dominant hand and you bend it. It's more towards the side. And with your dominant hand, you're going to go back and forth like this. Lullaby. Okay? Then, somewhere again. So, somewhere over the rainbow. For skies are blue, you're going to take out your B hands. That means B's, there's thumbs in the front. There you go. And you're going to shake them to the sky. Skies are blue. Now, next you're going to sign dream twice. You're going to do the sign for dream twice. So the sign for dream, you're going to take out your D hands. Side view, front view. So your index finger's up. The other ones are creating like a flat O. So dream, you're going to start from the forehead and wiggle that index finger. So, and the dreams that you dare to dream. Okay? The next sign, you're going to put your two hands like clapping like this. So you switch direction. Okay, so they're touching like this, and you switch direction. There you go. So really do come. Now true, the sign for true, you're going to place your index finger right in front of your lips and come forward. True. Someday you're going to go with your flat hand forward from your forehead, because this means future. So someday, now wish, you're going to use your C hand right under your neck, and you're going to go down. Make sure it's short and not all the way down here, okay? Because I just did all the way down here. So short, this means wish, because if you do it all the way down here, it means hungry. So wish. So someday I'll wish. Now for star, you're going to take out your two index fingers, and you're going to hit, alternate back and forth. So someday I'll wish upon a star. Now for wake up, you're going to use your index and your thumb on each hand, put them right next to your eyes, close your eyes, and then open. See? My eyes open and then my fingers opened. So wake up. Now clouds, you're going to use claws. Your hands are going to become like claws, like monster. One in front of the other. You're going to circle like this. This is for clouds. Okay? So clouds from the side, clouds. And then far behind me, you're going to push the clouds back. You're going to push the clouds right behind you. So the clouds are far behind me. So you point to yourself. Me. For me. Now, for troubles, you're going to do your B hands again like we did for blue skies. For trouble, you're going to go like this. like a karate chop kind of. So this means worries or worry. Or troubles. Now you're gonna do this like you're counting money or you want money. This means melt. So troubles, melt. Now for lemon, you're gonna put your L hand right here on your chin. Make sure it's not in the front or here. I mean right here, not here, here. On the side. And you're gonna wiggle that finger up and down, the index finger. Okay, troubles melt like lemon drops. Now you're gonna put your non-dominant hand flat again. With your dominant hand, you're gonna circle above for way above. Now you're gonna chimney tops. You're gonna do this. So this multiple times though. I like to do 3. 1, 2, 3. This means houses because chimney tops. There's not a sign for chimney tops. So way above the chimney tops. That's where. So for that, you're gonna put your like surfer dude hand and right there in the front. Boom. That's where you point you. So that's where you'll, for find, you're gonna use your index and your thumb, go from the bottom and pick it up like this and close your fingers. Find me. Find me. And then it starts up again with somewhere over the rainbow. Now, bluebirds is 2 signs again put together. So blue, you use your dominant hand. You're gonna put your B hand with the thumb in the front of the hand. You're gonna shake. Blue, birds, you're gonna use your index and your thumb. Put it right here on the side of your face. Birds, like a little birdie. Cheep, cheep, cheep. So bird, blue, bird, blue bird. Bluebirds fly. Make sure you don't connect like this. This means butterfly. Make sure you don't do this either. This means make out. So make sure your hands are out. Fly. Okay, some people would do this, where you put the I love you sign and a flat palm. Do this, but this means airplane fly, not animals or beings flying. So fly. Bluebirds fly. Now, birds fly over, so over again, over the rainbow. Why, oh why can't, you're gonna put your 2 index fingers. Your non-dominant's gonna stay stationary. And your dominant's gonna go down, on. So can't. Okay, Y, for Y, you're just gonna bring your Y hand from your head down. Y, can't I. And that's pretty simple.